for more than 20 years.
We've produced music for numerous film soundtracks, including the IMAX film Sacred Planet, and we've recorded many projects of didgeridoo music. This is a didgeridoo.
Instruments used by the original Australians, the Aboriginal people, for at least 1,500 years.
Nice and loud. Can you guys say didgeridoo?
I thought the Didgeridoo Down Under show was fantastic. The workshop was fantastic. The show covered so many aspects of music, science, nature, recycling, vocabulary words, all the different styles of playing didgeridoo.
What are you doing, mate? There's just no way they make that sound.
It's so simple. It means that when we meet people who are different than us, we should treat them as we'd like to be treated, with kindness, tolerance, respect.
Absolutely. Kindness, tolerance, respect is a universal language that opens many doors. So check this out. Whether you're walking down the hallways of school or traveling the world.
Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go like this. Or any beat that you want to.
The show was just fantastic. It was a full hour of non-stop learning, saving the planet. Everything about the show and the workshops was absolutely awesome.
You guys had a good time today? Say didgeridoo!